No good. Steal by Denver. Denver taking 3. No good. Rebound by Jackson. Harry. Lapas to Kenneth. All alone sa ilalim. 2 points. Kenneth Yagi. Score 8-2. 8 minutes exactly. Kenneth Bayi. Tapos napagalataan. Nawala yung source of energy. Tukatalino naman. Ang gandang lapas. Out of bounds.
Bumababa.
I-adjust ko lang po yan. Kasi mali talaga yung laki yan. Kasalanan niya. Iya mo, darating yung bago.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 8-2. No good. Rebound by Mets. Sky rebound by Mets. Mets. All alone. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Grabe, sipak nun ah. Sipak ng Kenneth. 2 points. Good. Ang may dala ng JBL. Grabe. 10-2. 7 minutes and 13. 15 seconds to shoot. Mets. 10 seconds to shoot. Mets. All away. No good. Rebound by. Still the Mets. Ang ganda pa sa kay Mikey. Wala pa rin. Mikey pa rin. Ang ganda tapik ni Mikey. Ni Sir Robbie. Lumipad. Wala pa rin. Mikey pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sir Robbie. Shot. Wala pa rin. Si Mikey pa rin. Block.
Foul.
Pero foul. Grabe, time possession nun ah. 15 seconds to shoot. Score 10-2. 10-2. 10-2. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. Block by Jesso, pero foul. Ay, sorry. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Shoutout kay Jeru. At kay Boss Lex. Tsaka sa baby niya. Congrats agad. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by Kurt. Kurt, JBL. Pwede na JBL. Nagpasahan yung dalawang may speaker. 2 points. Speaker connection. 2 points. 12-2. Mets taking 3. Risa. Mets. Rebound. Out of bounds. 12-5. Good ball. 5 minutes and 55. Good ball. Mikey, lumipad. Wow. Wow, the jersey number 16. 10 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Score 12-5. To Mikey. To Mets. 3 again. No good. Rebound by number 16. Siyempre, sponsored yan. Sponsored yan. Wala, 15 seconds. Wala. No good. Rebound by Jenson. Out of bounds. Wala na. Team D. Score natin. 12-5. 5 minutes and 20. Last possession before change. Last possession. Chano, ilang kayo dyan? 2? Sige, halo ko na kayo ha. Shoutout sa Papawis Bros natin. Sayang, kung alam ko lang, nagpaano na tayo ng referee. Sayang. Reskin na natin, reskin na lang natin. This week. Mikey, ay labas ko lang. Matik, pag may source of energy talaga, nagwapakon na. Last shot before change, last shot.